This motorhome has a huge, long single slide out. It's about 2.5 feet deep, I think. So to pull the slide out, first thing, number one, is that the engine needs to be off. Right there, all right? Then we need to make sure that the power is on in the back if it's not already on. So the main power needs to be on. If it's off, that's not gonna work. Needs to be on. Third is to make sure that the slide out is clear from anything that might be obstructing it on the way in or out, and that's looking through the outside and making sure that no one's in the way. It's not going to hit anything outside when it slides out, as well as inside. There's nothing here. Walk all the way to the other end of the camper and make sure that this side of the slide out, there's nothing here. And also that the driver's seat right here is not going to be in the way. If this seat is pushed all the way back, or the seat back is reclined, the slide out will actually hit it and break off, as you can see has already happened. When you hold your finger on the slide out button, you make sure that you hold it down the entire time until it stops, either when you retract or extend. It's important to not have the slide out halfway because it can break and the sides won't be sealed. So there will be gaps on the side and you will be cold, and we don't want it to break. If you've actually accidentally put it in halfway, pull it in all the way before you bring it back out. Don't go back and forth halfway. All right, so here we go. To retract, we just hold our finger down, and this whole entire wall of this camper will move all the way inward. Hold it down till it's done. That's it. And to extend it, we want to just push the extend button and it will come back out. If the slide out is in, we can't bring the bed down. But once the slide out is out, then you can certainly bring down the Murphy bed.